Pabalik kami sa hospital, kasama ko pa rin yung aking alaga.
But not using my shorts.
No, I will buy. Tinanong ko kasi siya kung pwede akong
I will buy
gumamit ng short dito. Ngayon, sabi
my
niya
shorts
pwede
I will
na.
buy.
Kasi yung pantalon na suot ko ngayon ay may butas. Ayaw niya kasi dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ayaw niya ng ganito. Suot-suot ko. Hindi niya napansin na ganyan yung suot ko ngayon. Agoy.
Ah.
Kaya dito kami dumaan sa kabila. Kasi iwas traffic. If you will go with Mama Dalal or you will stay with me?
What?
You will go when we will go there, then Mama Dalal will come. You will go or you will stay with me? Understand? No
I
understand.
will stay.
Wala.
I will not go with Mama.
You want to watch with Kalti Dudu?
Yes, I want to see.
You love Kalti Dudu?
Yes, because I want Baba Anwar. You know why? Because I want to make a shop. I want a wood because he make doors from wood.
Then when you will become big, the shop of Baba Anwar, it will be yours.
Yes.
Then why you have to build another shop?
No, because I want another shop too. Because he have shop for wood. I don't want shop for wood.
You want to talk to him?
Yes, I want to make a shop for me also.
What kind of shop is that?
And if I want to make doctor place, I will make a doctor. Then I will put a judge.
Ano ba?
I will be a judge also. And I will be...
Ang dami mong gusto sa kinabuhi mo dong. You want to become a doctor, and you want to become a judge, and you want to be a carpenter also.
That no. I don't want to be a carpenter.
Because if you have a wood shop, you should know how to do the carpentry.
I don't want to have a wood shop.
You want to have your meeting with your grandfather.
No. I want my alone shop.
Then who will manage your shop? Because you are still young.
Papa Anwar will make my
Bata
shop.
pa siya pero ang ano niya business na.
Papa Anwar will make my shop.
Then when you will have your shop, who will work there? Because you cannot work yet because you are still underage.
No, I will.
No, it's not allowed. You have to study. When you reach maybe 20 like that, then that's the time you will manage your shop.
You know, Papa Anwar, when he was me, he was making a shop, really. Well.
How come yan eh?
Really.
Dito tayo ngayon sa traffic light. Usapang nani at alaga. Kahit ano-ano lang mapasok sa ano niya isip niya. Brother, who help him to have a shop?
What?
Who help him? He build alone?
You don't well. He not built a
You did not drink water, no? Gulish.
He make a small shop
Okay.
like this, and I will make a small shop.
You did not drink water, no? Gulish. Lish. Because your lips is very dry.
Você paciência. I will make you shop.
You did not even comb your hair, oh?
I brush my teeth. Well.
Then congratulations. Lazim like that, okay? And congratulations.
Wait.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I am stronger than you, you know.
Come. Let me
Nag-brush
make
kasi
for
siya
me.
ng teeth. Listen, brush your teeth 3 times a day, okay?
Then you will, ouch, you will make ouch.
I am stronger than you. Ouch. Don't open the door. No.
I don't
Nice,
open
yeah.
it. I will not open it, but you tell me to open it. Good idea, John.
I said, don't open the door. Why?
Good idea, John.
Sino hada?
Good idea. Too much good idea.
If you open the door, next time if I'll come here, I will not bring you.
Why?
Because you're opening the
Let's
door.
open the Jarisha.
No.
Hello, all world.
Remember, we are going to meet your grandfather. Or else I'll tell him. Oh, that is the Hadika.
Shahid.
Ada Hadika Shahid?
Yes.
Wallah. Eh, sa. Ada fi fountain minaksa.
What are Hadika?
We did not go there anymore. Why?
There's no.
Because you don't want to walk anymore. Before you want to walk, but now no more.
You know, I tell you what is the place of Hadika Shahid. Remember?
Yes. But we're not coming here anymore. This is also part of Hadika Shahid, sa? Hadika Shahid is Kibir.
They make the new one.
Wala?
Yes.
I did not see.
You see?
No, we did not go there.
In the mall they make it. This is the new one.
No, that is
Really, they make it. We go.
when?
You forget.
Everything I forgot na lang.
Yes, I forgot everything. Where we go?
Hada Kibir. Sa? Why the Kibir? Amiri, where are you? We are here. Yusuf is coming back to Amiri.
You know, when I make Amalia,
Eh,
Baba Abdullah, they will give me the best room in the mustashfa.
wala.
It's the best room in the hospital.
Did you say thank you for that? No.
Yes.
No. You didn't.
When I said,
Oh, I forgot to bring banana.
why? Why they tell you?
No, for me. Maybe I will be hungry there. Hindi rin ako nakadala ng chocolate. Ha?
I got to Lulu. No, I want Lulu.
Ay, then how will you stay with me if you want Lulu?
Okay, when Lulu, I'll go with I want Lulu come to the hostel.
No, my dear. Lulu is small.
I want no.
Mama Dalal told me last night, right?
Yes.
Lulu will come, but she will stay in where? See? Ito yung nakita natin kagabi yata.
We like matcha.
Ito's matcha yan.
Matcha, the green coffee.
Esa.
I like it.
But coffee is not allowed yet for you because you are still young.
I eat little coffee.
Eat or drink?
Drink.
Ah, I thought it's eat. What is the difference of eat and drink?
Eat, Johnny. Like
Eat.
this.
And how about the drink?
Like this.
Drink water.
Like this.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Would they bite you? Because you know what mean eat? What? You like. Or no?
No,
You know?
because you are not.
Inside you, there is laham.
And inside you, wide laham baad. Because you see,
Not.
you see my hands and your hands. Your hands is bigger than mine. See, I am whiter than you. Pa.
I will eat laham, your laham. It's yucky because there is blood.
It's yucky, yucky.
Because there is blood.
It's not good.
It's not good.
Yeah.
Not
To eat
make
people
you
are not good.
laham. Matbus laham.
I'm not ham.
Matbus.
Matubos human being.
Matbus.
Matubos yourself. Yeah.
Matbus jada.
Wala.
Matbus jada. You want I
Maganda
make?
yung tinta ng utak mo.
You want I make mutabag jada?
At sa sobrang excited niya, hindi siya nakatulog ng maayos. Una pa siyang nagising sa akin. Kasi may usapan kami na 8 o'clock. Tapos sabi niya, gisingin ko daw siya. Kung hindi siya magising, ay lalagyan ko siya ng tubig. Pero hindi nangyari dahil mas nauna siyang nagising. I mean, nauna siyang gumising bago ako na bumaba. Kasi doon siya natulog sa kwarto ng kanyang lola. Hindi kasi siya pwede may ipakita sa social media. You know, I told to my friends that you sleep in the room of your grandmother. Yeah, Mama Ganana is your grandmother because she is the sister of your grandmother. Then
Yes, sister.
it's the same, right? Right or no? See? I told you. Hanggang dito na lang siguro, no? Kaya mahaba-haba na itong usapan naming dalawa. Bye-bye. Punta pala kami sa hospital or mustasfa. What is hospital in Arabic?
Mustasfa.
Mustasfa.
Hospital?
Eh,